hopefully everyone could have a chiropractic treatment, because actually those cracking is release your discomfort. I have a lower back pain, and then I feel very discomfort from the left side until my left foot. I cannot sit too long hours, so if it affected my performance, I find out chiropractic first. After I got decompression treatment and then adjustment, my situation is getting better. Numbness on my foot is getting lesser and lesser. Finally, I feel like normal. Adjustment with the DT will have a better result. Obviously, you can feel the result is different.